No Start Garage, and we pulled in another one. This one runs. I just got it for what I consider a fair price, and we got that beautiful V6 Toyota reliability there. And mechanically, it looks like it's doing pretty good. Cosmetically, we need a paint job, but it is a Toyota. This is California. Toyotas cost a premium here no matter how old they are. I think I got a pretty good deal on this one right here, but we definitely have to work the paint and get everything straightened out because, and I'm gonna take the Dodgers off. I'm gonna take the Cowboys off. And I gotta go do some YouTube research, or maybe somebody can tell me, are these original Toyota wheels? This was a 2005 Toyota. What is this thing? I know it's a Camry, but it's a Camry SE V6. Drives pretty good. I haven't went through the car. All I did was go pick it up this morning. I always convince owners to help me get the car back to the other side of town. So I bought it on one side of town, and he followed me, and you know it. He followed me in the $500 Monte Carlo. $500 Monte Carlo. Running good, running like a champ. Anyway, we're gonna bring this one into the No Start Garage, and you already know the routine. I do that in every car that we bring in here. This car was not nearly, let's look in the back seat first. Well, the back seat won't open. And door lock makes noise. Sunroof is broke. See how the sunroof sits there like that? It's broke. But we got the parts, the guy gave them to me. The car wasn't that dirty on the inside. Not that clean either. These seats are gonna come out. That's how we do it. So we're gonna pull this thing into the No Start Garage. This one is relatively clean, man, for, you know, what I normally bring in here. But, you know, let me just be, you see that under there? See all the money under there in the dirt? We're gonna pop the seats out and we're gonna clean the carpet. And this car, it really isn't that bad. We gotta fix the sunroof, we gotta fix the door lock. Other than that, this one is not that bad. But as you can see, from my standards, it's filthy. All that stuff has to be done. How do I open this? They never leave me no money in these cars, man. I always read these stories, man, where people buy cars and they find $500,000 in the trunk, man. Well, I haven't looked in the spare tire yet, but I'm looking for that $500,000. But anyway, this is the No Start Garage, and we got the next project in, and we're getting better and better and better. You see what I'm saying? So this one is going to get an interesting paint job, because what we're gonna do is, again, I got this car for $2,700. If you think I paid too much, please tell me in the comment section. This is a Toyota with 209,000 miles on it, with a very dirty V6, which doesn't leak very much oil. We haven't done anything to it. I don't like the battery clamps, but they look new. But I'm gonna put some better ones on there. I'm not too familiar. I can look in the trunk and tell somebody was messing around with all the music. So I want to get all these excess wires out of here. But the first thing we do when we get these cars, we don't really, I film them before I do a thing to them. If I can let the hood down. And as you can see, the clear coat is peeling. But the first thing we're gonna do is just wash it. I'm gonna wash it, clean the car out, and then we'll figure out what the hell this is on the fender. But let's not even get into that. Get the headlights back clear, and we're gonna make this a beautiful daily driver. This is a Toyota with 209,000 miles on it. Mechanically, it looks to be in pretty good shape. I don't see anything I need to do with it mechanically, meaning I'm just gonna roll it in right now, and we're gonna clean off the dirt. We're gonna clean out the inside. We're gonna pull the seats out, and we are going to see what we can do with this nice $2,700 used 2005 Toyota Camry SE. I think it's pretty optioned out, but we're gonna fix the problems. But let's just clean it first. I've been driving it off and on today. The paint is just jacked. It's just got paint flaws everywhere. We got a lot of little work to do with that, but it doesn't stop me from getting to the grocery store, and it doesn't stop me from turning a $2,700 car into a $4,800 car for a few $100. And that's about what we're gonna do. But we're gonna also use it as my daily driver, and we're gonna retire the Monte Carlo to somebody who might want to give me a few $1,000s for it. If anybody looking at this video and they're in the state of California, or if you want to ship the car, hey man, as long as you pay for it, I'll wait for the truck, no worries. But the Monte Carlo, only thing honestly wrong with the Monte Carlo, the only thing wrong with it, mechanically it's sorted. It's totally sorted. The only thing wrong with it, it's got a dent on this fender, as you can see, and the hood was taken off a red when it needs a hood, bumper, and fender paint and a new fender. Take it as is, or you can wait till I do it. Doesn't matter to me. Either way it goes. I'm probably gonna go to Pick and Pull tomorrow and go pick up the fender. Anyway, I'm gonna get back to work. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, please subscribe, please share this video. If this video helped you even a little bit, just give me a like, because it does take me some time to make these videos. And yes, these are not Ferraris that we're bringing in. These are daily, real-life drivers that make sense in America. These are cars that people need, not cars that people want. Nobody needs a Ferrari. Everybody wants a Ferrari, but everybody needs a daily driver. And this is what I'm trying to tell you. Get your daily driver. This is a Dave Ramsey lifestyle that I'm living. I pay cash for cars. I don't put $2,000 down on a car. I put $2,000 on a car, and I own it. It might be a little older. It might not have Bluetooth, but it's gonna get me to the store and back, and to work and back. Anyway, this is the No Star Garage. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and look out for my next video. We are not done with the Carlo yet, but it is going up for sale, because we got something else we're gonna work on that's a little bit newer, a little bit better. I'll talk to you later.